Will the iPhone Air bend? Here's what Apple says. Apple's ultra-thin iPhone Air appears to be earning a lot of buzz, but for some users there's very important question still unanswered. Will it bend? Apple execs invite interviewers to try bending the iPhone Air. Following Apple's iPhone 17 and iPhone Air unveiling, Tom's Guide and Tech Radar team up for a new interview with Apple's John Turnus and Greg Joswiak. It exceeds our internal metrics for bench strength, said Turnus, and just then Josh chimed in and said they are really high. To put their money where their mouth is, Josh then tossed the iPhone Air to Lance Ulanoff and he said, try to bend it, it's on me. Both Lance and I tried to bend the heck out of the iPhone Air. It did not break. If you put enough load, said Turnus, you can get it to flex a little bit. Josh then chimed in, but it comes right back. That's the idea. It was bold of Apple's marketing chief to invite his interviewers to try to bend the iPhone Air. I am also encouraged by Apple, saying it exceeds the company's really high metrics for bench strength. If users keep it in their back pocket and sit down day after day for weeks, months and even years, what will that to the iPhone Air's titanium reinforced frame? Only time will tell.